Tara, samahan nyo ako at mamamasyal tayo. Nandito ako sa may Duquisis Palaquintillas here in Athens, Greece. It's metro station kung saan tayo ay magta-transfer papunta ng the Mall Athens. And this is so wide and clean and beautiful metro station here in Duquisis Palaquintillas. And thanks for watching everyone. At ito yung kanyang mga kabuuan dito sa may platform na kung saan ka ay magta-transfer ng train or another metro or riding everywhere. So, ayan. So, thanks for watching everyone and have a good day.